In this video, we'll show you how to use 922s5 proxy with Brave. First, open the 922s5 proxy client. Go to the port proxy page and click on Filters to set the conditions for the IP you need to extract. Once selected, click Confirm. Next, choose an IP, right-click, and select Forward to an idle port. Click on the Port Forward list at the bottom, locate the extracted IP, and click the Copy button on the right. Now, open Brave. Click the Options menu in the upper right corner, find and click Settings. On the left sidebar, locate the System option and click it. On the right side, find and click Open your computer's proxy settings. Scroll down and enable the Use a Proxy Server option. Then, paste the port information you copied from 922s5 and fill in the port number correctly. Once done, click Save. Return to Brave, open IP Info to check your current IP information. And you'll see it matches the IP you extracted, indicating the proxy setup in Brave was successful.